with the rep from SP too has helped out heaps. I've learnt more in 2 hours sort of thing than I ever knew, so yeah, fantastic.
Yeah, to SP.
My name's Rob Moss. I'm here to help training on this battery session. We're teaching them about how to design batteries and making aware of what important parts of batteries that people are generally unaware of is one of the things that I find is really important to convey so that they reduce their commercial risk in the field. My role as a product specialist will be to watch what they're doing and be the resource when they need help on some of those issues.